Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran. وَمَكَرُوا وَمَكَرَ اللَّهُ وَاللَّهُ خَيْرُ الْمَاكِرِينَ. Translation. And they, the unbelievers, plotted, and Allah also planned, and Allah is the best of planners. In Arabic language, the word makr means a secret plan. It could be for a good thing or it could be for a bad thing. When Quran says that Allah is the best of the planners, in the phrase Wallahu Khairul Makirin, this is not the Urdu mukar, which is in the bad sense, but here it means that Allah is the best of planners. The Jews devised a plan and presented the case to the king of the time that Isa alayhi salam is making lots of trouble in the society, and he is a magician, and a magician is a kafir, and all the kafirs should be killed as the punishment of someone who turns away from deen is a murtad, and the punishment of murtad in the Sharia of Musa alayhi salam was death. So they convinced the king that he should be killed, and the king agreed that he should be killed and crucified. But Allah had a better plan for him, and he ascended Prophet Isa alayhi salam to the skies alive before his death. As explained in the next ayah, إذ قال الله يا عيسى إني متوفيك ورافعك إلي ومطهرك من الذين كفروا وجاعل الذين اتبعوك فوق الذين كفروا إلى يوم القيامة ثم إلي مرجعكم فأحكم بينكم فيما كنتم فيه تختلفون. Translation. And remember when Allah said, O Isa, surely I shall take you and raise you to myself and purify you of the evil of those who disbelieve, and I shall place those who follow you above those who disbelieve in you till the day of resurrection. Then to me will all of you return, and I shall judge between you with regard to that about which you disputed. The word tufi in Arabic language means to take something as a whole, and it's used in Quran in many different ways. A scholar says that it is used as in the meaning of death, in which the body stays here in the world and the soul and the life leaves. The second meaning is the sleep, in which the body and the life stays here and only the soul leaves, and when the person wakes up, the soul comes back to the body. And the third meaning used here in this ayah, in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has taken the life, body and soul of Isa alayhi salam to the sky. As explained in Mutawatir Hadith, that Prophet Isa alayhi salam was taken to the sky alive, and he is alive in the sky, and he will return to the world in the end of times, when there will be lots of disobediences against Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and Isa alayhi salam will come in the ummah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and he will kill Dajjal and all the Jews and establish the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In the night of Miraj, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam met all the prophets in their life of Barzakh, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam met Isa alayhi salam in the life of this world, because he has not had the death yet, and that's why Hazrat Isa alayhi salam is considered as the Sahaba of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he will come to the world as the ummati of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So Allah lifted Isa alayhi salam up to himself and cleansed him from the vicious and corrupt people, until the day of resurrection would place those who believe in him, meaning Muslims and Christians, above those who deny him, meaning Jews, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make the judgment between all the people in the day of resurrection. O Allah, give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.